What if you could shoot a ring of air across the room, or see air moving with just a cup? So let's build a simple Vortex Blaster and see the science behind it. You will need a plastic cup, a balloon, the scissors, and a source of smoke like incense or smoke ring. I'm going to be using a lighter and a stick. Now I'll start by cutting off the bottom of the cup, and next I'll cut the top part of the balloon and stretch it tightly over the open end of the cup. You can secure it with tape if you need, but I'm not going to secure mine with tape. Now our Vortex Blaster is ready. It's time to test our Vortex Blaster. Now I'm going to aim at a small tower of cups, and with one shot you can knock them over, like so. Also, I'll try aiming at the candle flame. Watch the moving hair put out the flame. To make the smoke ring, you need to make the air visible. Gently fill the cup with a little smoke. Once I tap on the balloon, watch closely. You will see a perfect ring of smoke shoot out. So what's happening here? When you pull and release the balloon, you push air out of the cup very quickly. Instead of spreading out randomly, the air spins and forms a ring. This is called the vortex. The spinning motion helps the air stay together, allowing it to travel farther and hit objects in its path. It's the same principle behind smoke rings. This experiment is simple, fun, and a great way to learn science at home. Try it out and see how far your vortex can go. Follow for more fun and easy experiments. Thank you.